Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to hide your country in Steam. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface and I have already logged into my account. Now all we want to do is hide our country. Well, it is quite easy. At the very top right, you can see your username right here. That is the Manage Account button. Click on it. From here, as you can see, there are a multitude of options. But right now, all you guys need to do is focus on this button called as View My Profile. Click on it. And guys, this is it. This is your profile page. And right now, we just want to hide our location. That relates to Edit Profile. Click on it right now. This is it, guys. This is our About page. From here, you can change your profile name, add your real name as well, and do note that you can also add your custom URL. But right now, we're just gonna scroll down. And right here you can see something like this, country. Currently, as you can see, I have put it on do not display. Initially it can be on anyone like this. Well, as you can see, this is happening right now. Well, as you can see, let's say this is my location and I want to hide it. Simply select on country right now and hit on do not display. Once everything's okay, simply click on save. That is it, guys. That's how we hide your location or your country in Steam. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.